Shropshire-based Rolling Homes is a bespoke campervan converter that sells direct to its customers. As well as a standard range of models, it can also design the conversion to the customer's individual specification. So whether you want it adapted for accessibility or to carry a motorbike even, Rolling Homes can accommodate you. They're a regular at the major leisure vehicle shows such as Birmingham's NEC, and are an approved manufacturer of the leisure vehicle trade body, the National Caravan Council, and also an approved VW converter. Now, Rolling Homes converts VW, Ford and Mercedes vans, and our model on test here is based on the long wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter 6.1 Highline. Many Rolling Homes models are named after adventurers such as Columbus or Shackleton, and this one, the Livingstone, follows suit. Our model comes with the 150 PS engine married to an automatic transmission. Included in the vehicle's spec are aircon, cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, electric windows and mirrors, and armrests to the driver and passenger cab seats. A 6.5-inch touchscreen entertainment system features radio, Bluetooth and App Connect. Our test model sports metallic paintwork, body coloured bumpers and roof, and nice alloys, so it looks the business. What's more, Rolling Homes has arranged the external services such as hookup and water inlet and drain points to the rear of the van, so no ugly panels are cut into the bodywork. Step inside and it's a 4-berth camper with a rear kitchen unit. And in long wheelbase format, and usually for a campervan conversion, there's space to fit a fixed toilet to the rear too, above the 57-litre water tank. Pitched up on site, the living quarters are impressive from the off. Rolling Homes conversions feature real wood furniture in lightweight oak. The cabinetry includes soft close cupboards, and the converter uses high quality component parts. For example, the rear seats which convert to beds are made by Rib and are crash tested. The rear elevating roof is from SCA in Germany, and under the skin is eco-friendly sheep wool insulation. Now, our test model features brown leather upholstery, a £2,100 cost option. While the seat bases are fixed, the seat squabs can slide forward to be nearer the cab occupants. With cab seats swiveled on site, a freestanding table on a tripod leg comes into play. Diesel blown air heating is fitted to this model at a £1,200 cost option. The kitchen unit is pretty basic, with a 2-burner hob, a fridge freezer across the galley, and room for a camping gas 907 cylinder in the gas locker. The interior is lit throughout by LEDs. Opposite the kitchenette is the fixed toilet beneath a hinged lid, plus a shelving unit which hinges out as a priority door while the toilet is in use. At night time, the blackout curtains do a good job of providing privacy, and there are screens for the cab windows. For sleeping, the seats convert into single beds by rotating the squabs through 180 degrees and lowering the backrest, and they can slide together to make a double bed of sorts. The roof bed is arguably the premium choice though, with a one-piece mattress. It's simple to get to this space using the neatly stashed telescoping ladder, and there's a reading light on a stalk upstairs. Rolling Homes conversions ooze quality, from the components used to the meticulous attention to detail in the conversion work. But it comes at a price. Our test model, with the options fitted, costs a little over £75,000. Nevertheless, the Livingstone is a well-presented, practical 4-berth camper with some great features.